James and welcome back to another video. First of all, I'm very sorry if I didn't upload lately. It's because I was very busy since I'm still in college and I had to take summer class. During this time, I won a poster slogan making contest at my university. But now I am back and I'm going to show you another budget mechanical keyboard. This time it is the Rakk Tandus from Rakk Gears, a company that targets Filipino consumers that want high quality products without breaking the bank. Tandus is a 10 kilo Sport, or TKL for short. This is a regular size keyboard without a number pad on the side. It has double-shot ABS keycaps and rainbow illuminated keys, not to be confused with RGB backlit. It also features a 1000 Hz polling rate and full anti-ghosting. It only has one switch variant, Otemo Blue switches, a clicky tactile switch with a 50 million keystroke lifespan. Here is a stock sound test of the keyboard. As you heard, it's very noisy. This is good if you hate your friends. But I am not a fan of blue switches and I love my friends, so we're going to mod this keyboard. First, let's remove the keycaps. After that, let's disassemble the keyboard. It uses hex screws, unlike most normal boards that use Phillips screws. Then, remove the switches and remove the plate. Now, I am putting foam tape inside the case to reduce the hollow sound of the keyboard. For the switches, I'm going to use a flying carrots, a tactile switch that is made with polycarbonate top housing, pump stem, and nylon bottom housing. The spring weight is 43 grams. It is already lubed with Quartox 205 G0. After mounting the switches, I will do the Tempest mod with 3 layers of painter's tape, or in this case I am using masking tape. And now, we're done with the tedious part of this video. Yes, I know, it still has blue switches, but I only have 71 carat switches lying around, and I don't feel like buying new ones because I have to wait for them to arrive, open the switches, lube and clip the 2 extra pins, and it costs almost $3 for 10-piece switch. Here is the sound test of Rakk Tandus after all the mods. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, consider liking this video, subscribe to this channel, and see you on the next one. Peace.